The open heartland of Canada, a vast area devoted to farming. These fields are of the blue-flowered flax plant. The flax plant produces a seed that possesses a unique nutritional composition of omega-3 fatty acid, antioxidants, fiber, and a nutritious plant protein with amino acids similar to that of soybean protein.
A tiny seed with powerful properties. To help us learn about the power of flax, we're here at Pizzi's Nutritionals in Angusville, Manitoba with Kelly Fitzpatrick of Flax Canada. Kelly, what is so interesting about flax?
Well, flax is just a dynamite seed, just a small little seed containing so many powerful health ingredients. For example, flax contains the plant-based omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linoleic acid, or ALA. And ALA has a number of different health benefits. Secondly, flax is an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble fiber, and we know that Western diets are notoriously low in fiber, so we need more fiber. Thirdly, antioxidants. This seed produces a range of very powerful antioxidants. And lastly, a compound called lignans, and lignans are actually plant-based phytoestrogens.
You mentioned omega-3s. How do those contribute to our heart health?
Omega-3s can help to reduce blood clotting and to reduce the amount of plaque that is actually deposited on arteries. For the brain, can help to reduce the risk of stroke for the same reason. Omega-3s also can help to reduce blood pressure and inflammation. Also very powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. So it can help to reduce arthritis or even asthma, any autoimmune disease.
We hear about omega-3s in fish oil. Are these the same kind of omega-3s?
Actually not. Flax contains the highest level of plant-based omega-3, but interestingly, these omega-3, the ALA in flax, can be converted in our bodies to the same omega-3 from fish oil.
Now let's talk a little bit about the antioxidant properties that help to fight cancer.
What science has shown is that feeding flax reduces cell growth and cell number in both breast cancer and prostate cancer patients.
Tell us how flax can contribute to weight loss.
And because flax is very high in both the soluble and insoluble fiber, it fills us up fast and keeps us full longer. As well, the fiber is very important in what is known as glycemic index. Glycemic index is a measurement of how the body metabolizes sugar, blood sugar or blood glucose. A slower metabolism of blood glucose can aid in both weight reduction as well as can help control diabetes. Generally speaking, we need about 2 tablespoons of milled flax, and it's actually very easy to incorporate flax into your daily diet. You can sprinkle it on salads, you can put it in yogurt, you can put it in beverages, you can put it on your cottage cheese. I mean, there's many ways that you can use it. Or, if you prefer, there are more and more food producers that are actually producing foods and marketing foods now that contain flax.
So where do we find good flax?
Western Canada really prides itself on flax production, and we also pride ourselves on having ingredient manufacturers in Western Canada that understand the quality of flax and the need to pick good seed. And Pizzi's actually has a patented process called the Meadowpure process.